Hello again. So it's time for the last presentation. We feel sorry because this day is finishing, but we'll have again one Bulgarian employer, Arexim Engineering, one very good and serious Bulgarian company. Mr. Asen Kirillov is here today to present very shortly his company and some positions about them.
Okay. Hello to one and all. Welcome to our presentation. It's the last one, unfortunately, but I hope it's not the worst one. So, let's get started. My name is Kirill Asinov, and I am manager of new projects in the company Arexim Engineering. As you can see, this is the company from the outside. I must mention that the company is located in the town of Smolен, which is approximately 250 kilometers away from the location here. So, our company deals with manufacturing of high precision technical plastic components and injection molding tools. So, basically, we have more than 800 workers. They're nearing 1,000 right now, and hopefully, they're going to become much more by the end of the year. So, the company works 24/7 besides the major holidays, obviously. And we have three main parts: the plastic production, the tool shop, and the print and assembly area. So we have over 100 injection molding machines, which range from 30 to 500 tons, which I would say is quite impressive for a Bulgarian-based company. The company in by itself was created by a Bulgarian citizen in the not so far year of 1991. So it's purely Bulgarian. We work with a lot of the bigger names in terms of machines: Engel, Krauss-Maffei, Arberg. We have temperature devices, GWK. We have Moton dryers for the materials, and we have the possibility to do multiple component molding and over molding if the client requires. One thing to note here is the fact that we have a centralized feeding system for raw materials, which is something not many companies, specifically in Bulgaria, employ. This completely takes out the idea of mixing the wrong materials with the right machine. So this completely takes away the possibility for human error in that regard. And also another interesting thing is we process over 7,000 tons of plastics per year, which again, I believe is quite a big number, specifically for a Bulgarian-based company. Next on is the tool shop and the design manufacturing. We have a lot of positions open here. The booth of ours is right on the back there, and our colleagues from the HR department would let anybody know what positions we have available. Also on the website, which you will see in the end of the presentation, there's a form in which you can apply and look at the available positions as well. So we have erosion machines, high-speed milling machines, and we have 100% operational control with laser measuring equipment, which again is quite innovative for Bulgaria, especially for the Smolyan region. We pride ourselves on constant communication with the clients, because the client is the king. If the client wants something, he has to receive it at any price. Hopefully we win something as well. So to continue on, we have also more added value operations. That is the print and assembly area. We have the mutual and automatic assembly, the ultrasonic welding, and the tampo, screen, and hot printing presses, and machine pressing as well. In terms of quality, we have 4 quality labs located all around our base, and they measure the incoming control, metrology, and control of the tool shops, control in plastic production, control in print and assembly, and this happens around the clock, 24 hours a day throughout the year. We're also certified with ISO, and we have our own system called Arcus, Arexim Quality System, with 6 modules. As you can see here, the company has risen tremendously since its creation. As I said earlier, we're nearly 1,000 people working there currently, which is quite impressive as well. And the amount of machines we have purchased since the beginning, since 1991, there were 10 machines at the start of the company. Now there's 100 machines, which is quite an exponential jump. In terms of logistics, we deliver to 3 continents. Proud to say that we're at the forefront of gaining another continent very soon, hopefully. In Bulgaria, we try to deliver in the estimate around 3 days from the completion of the product. And abroad, depending on the situation and the client's desires, we find a way to deliver. We try to tailor our services to our clients' needs so we can be a better service provider, of course. Here you can see a map. Everything is located in Smolen, which is right here for those people who don't know. And again, as I said, we deliver outside of Bulgaria on a daily basis. And this is the base here, some information as well. And I guess this is the time for the questions. If anybody has any questions, be it in Bulgarian or English, please let me know.
Because your presentation is very interesting, I would like to kindly ask you to say some words in Bulgarian about your company.
Добре, за тези, които не знаят английски език, казвам се Кирил Асенов и съм представител на фирма Arexim Engineering, която се намира в град Смолян. Фирмата се занимава с направата на пластични части. Работиме с автомобилни индустрии, като Volkswagen, Ford. Работиме с други големи фирми, като Engel, Schneider, Makita, Liebherr. И така, ако имате някакви по-конкретни въпроси, мисля, че ще бъде една идея по-полезен на
Например,
хората.
какви работни места предлагате на щанда
Ами
си
предлагаме работни места, различни видове. Търсиме инженери главно. Също така търсиме общи работници и в всякакви други сфери. Просто необходими са. В Смолян имаме неприятният проблем с липса на хората, и като това е един от най-бързо обезлюдяващите се градове в България. И за сметка на това обаче се опитваме да привлечем хора, като представяме атрактивни заплати и атрактивни условия за работа.
Да, очевидно са атрактивни. А какъв е начинът на кандидатстване във вашата фирма?
Може да се кандидатства, като влезнете в уебсайта на фирмата. Там има форма, в която може да подадете вашите запитвания и въпроси. Също са упоменати позициите, които са свободни в момента. Също така JobsBG, както моят предшественик също спомена, също работиме с JobsBG. И това е, може би, най-добрият начин на този етап да се свърже някой с нас.
Документи?
Документи за български граждани, предполагам, са наясно с стандартните документи, които трябва да се дадат. За чужденци процедурата е една идея по-трудна. При нас има работещи украинци, процедурата от неизвестно време, но вярвам тези хора са все още доволни, тъй като все още са в нашата фирма от близо 4 месеца, ако не бъркам. Специфично за различните държави, вярвам, че има различен подход и различни необходими документи, но това ще бъде проверено, когато настъпи момента и ако човека изрази желание все пак.
Извинявам се, пак на английски ще кажа. Now I'll say in English.
Okay.
Because EURES, you know, is a European network, and
Yes.
now people from all European countries are watching us. So you can say some words again in English about the way of recruitment of your agency and the documents, so if people from Europe want to come.
Okay. In terms of recruitment, you can visit our website. In the website, you can definitely find the available positions at the company currently and ones which will be available in the near future, because there's people who sometimes want to quit. They give us a heads up and we try to recruit their position before they leave. So we don't have any empty spots all in all. And besides the website, you can use another website called JobsBG, or you can come in contact through email with us. No problem. If there's a desire, there is a way.
Аз ще говоря на български.
Да.
Разбрах, че търсите хора.
Прощавайте, не ви чувам особено добре.
Разбрах, че търсите хора.
Да.
Разбрах, че всичко е автоматизирано при вас.
Не всичко, но работиме в тази посока.
Да, доколкото виждам, това означава ли, че тези места са осигурени? Тоест, не мислите да автоматизирате абсолютно всичко и да намалите?
Не мислиме да автоматизираме абсолютно всичко. Ще имаме нужда от хора постоянно и предпочитаме да работим с хора, понеже все пак това е необходимо.
Някакво обучение предлагате ли? квалификация?
Обучение зависи от позицията. Ако нямате никакви познания в въпросната позиция, вероятно тази позиция не би била за вас, тъй като се изискват малко по-специфични знания. Но за други хора, ученици специфично, ние сме в готовност да спонсорираме тяхното образование с цел те да се завърнат на малко по-късен етап, след като завършат своето образование в рамките на 2 години, ако не бъркам.
Тоест, вие подпомагате ученици.
Помагаме на ученици, точно така.
Само отново да уточним. Тоест, ако аз съм работил на поточна линия и съм правил лещи
Да.
с високо качество за оптиката, вие бихте ли ме взели с някаква преквалификация към вас?
Не виждам причина да не го направим.
Благодаря.
Много благодаря. Чудесна презентация. Благодаря за отговорите. Има ли още въпроси? Не, може би по-късно на вашия щанд. Благодаря, беше много интересно. Okay, so unfortunately the presentations has finished. Thank you for your attention. Our European Job Day is still in continue, so feel free to ask our employers and your ex-colleagues for everything. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day from Bulgaria.